Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question from Meriam textbook, and we have the concept of distributed load on this beam. So we need to calculate the supporting force RA and moment MA at point A for the loaded cantilever beam. So as always, we're going to start with the free body diagram. We can see that we have a fixed support at point A, which means normally for those supports, we're going to consider, let's just show the beam in here. Normally for this support, we have two different forces in x and y direction and one moment because the rotation of the beam is restricted. So you can just consider this one. The question is telling us call this one MA and the force RA. So now the question is which one of these are the force. We can call them RX for now. Let's just call them RX and RY, and we'll figure out later which one is RA. So that's pretty much for that support. We can see also we have a distributed load which is applying in here, and for replacing the distributed load, all we need to do in here, because we have a uniform load, we have to find the location where this applies, which is going to be exactly the centroid of the rectangle, which is going to be exactly in the middle. So it's going to be half of this distance, which is 4. So 2 meters away from right side of the beam. And if we want to replace that load, all we need to do basically is just finding the area of the rectangle. We know one side is 60. One side, this side is actually 60 Newton meter, which means it's 600 Newton per each meter, and we know the length of the force or this distributed load is 4 meters. So if we multiply this by each other, we're going to get 2400 newtons, and now everything's easy because we are dealing with one single force and we have the location. All right, we know that we are in equilibrium and we have sum of all forces in x equals 0, which means in here Rx is 0, therefore there is no x component. So basically the RA that the question is referring to is going to be our Ry, because there is no x component at that point, and all the forces that we have in here are vertical. So now we're going to go with Ra instead of our Ry. So easiest way in here for finding the Ry, we can just find sum of all forces in y equals 0. Basically we have Ra minus 2400 equals 0, which means Ra is 2400 newtons. So that's the first unknown that the question is asking, and now we have to find the moment at that point, which we're going to use our last equation, sum of all moments about, let's do point A in here, and we have the sign convention of counterclockwise positive. So obviously we have the moment of MA first of all at this point, which is counterclockwise. We assume it's counterclockwise, so we'll see if it's correct or no. So positive, and also we have the moment of the 2400, which we can see the direction is clockwise. So that's going to be a negative moment 2400, and the distance would be the distance from A to this point, or basically this distance. So we know the total distance is 8 meters minus this little part 2. So 8 minus 2 is going to be 6. And that will be equal to 0, which means our MA is equal to 2400 times 6. So 2400 times 6. It's going to be 14,400 Newton meter, or we can report it as 14.4 kilo Newton meters. We didn't get any negative sign. That shows that the direction that we assume for MA is actually correct. It's actually counterclockwise because it's positive. And yeah, that's pretty much everything for this one. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's gonna help me to reach out to more students and help them. And you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.